Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today's video because we're diving into a game-changing tool that's going to make your content creation process so much easier and way more fun. If you've been struggling to create high-quality visuals for your marketing, ads, social media, or any kind of digital content, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about Talking Visuals, an AI-powered platform that allows you to create stunning, lifelike images and videos in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Now, I know there are a ton of AI tools out there claiming to make video creation and visual design a breeze, but a lot of them can be overwhelming or don't live up to the hype. That's why I wanted to talk about Talking Visuals, because not only does it deliver, but it also simplifies the process so you can focus on what really matters: creating great content. So, let's break it down. Talking Visuals is a revolutionary app that allows you to create ultra-realistic images, animated talking avatars, 3D characters, talking animals, and even fantasy characters, all with the help of AI. And it does this in a matter of seconds. If that doesn't sound impressive already, let me dive deeper into what this tool offers. First off, the platform is insanely easy to use. It's as simple as logging in, creating, and then selling or sharing your creations. That's it, 3 steps. No complicated software to learn, no steep learning curve. It's designed for people who want professional quality visuals but don't have the technical skills to handle intricate design software or animation tools. You can create 4K images, lifelike talking avatars, and even cartoon characters that talk and express emotions with just a few clicks. What I love about Talking Visuals is how versatile it is. You're not just limited to one type of visual, you can create so many different kinds of media. Want to generate talking human avatars for your brand or training videos? No problem. You can make these avatars talk, express emotions, and even change their expressions in real time with AI-powered lip syncing and movement. Need to create animated animals? You can bring pets and wild animals to life with realistic lip sync and emotions as well. How cool is that? But it gets even better. The AI-powered text-to-image generator lets you turn simple words into stunning visuals. You can instantly create images for social media posts, marketing materials, or blog articles without needing any design skills. You just type in a prompt, and Talking Visuals creates the perfect visual for you. On top of that, it has a powerful image-to-image transformation tool that allows you to enhance or modify any image you upload. You can change the style, add effects, or completely reimagine your visuals with just one click. For all the e-commerce folks out there, there's something special for you too. With the instant e-commerce product mockup feature, you can easily create product mockups for things like t-shirts, mugs, and more. Talking Visuals automatically adjusts lighting, wrinkles, and textures for a realistic look. This feature is perfect for those selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or any print-on-demand services. I also have to mention the incredible AI face generation feature. This allows you to create unique AI-generated faces for characters, avatars, or any creative project you have in mind. You can easily create realistic human faces for your virtual assistants or digital influencers, adding an extra layer of professionalism to your brand's content. And if you're into 3D design, the AI 3D design generator is a game changer. You can create detailed 3D models from simple prompts, which is perfect for product designers or architects who want to prototype quickly. Another standout feature is the AI-powered text-to-speech, which can turn any text into natural-sounding voiceovers. This is a perfect addition to any video or animated content you're creating, especially if you want to make explainer videos, tutorials, or audiobooks. Talking Visuals gives you multiple language and accent options, which makes it incredibly versatile if you're working with an international audience. But let's talk about how this platform can really help you build a business. Talking Visuals isn't just about creating cool content, It's about monetizing that content. If you're looking to make some extra income, you can start offering video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for engaging, high-quality visuals, and this tool gives you everything you need to provide them with exactly that. Whether it's creating talking avatars for digital assistants or animated characters for ads, there's a huge market for this kind of content. You can also sell custom AI-generated images, animated talking cartoons, and product animations on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. People are always looking for fresh, engaging content, and with talking visuals, you can provide that easily and quickly. There's no need to spend hours on design or animation software. You can generate top-tier content in no time and sell it to businesses, influencers, and marketers who are hungry for new, exciting visuals. What's even better is that Talking Visuals comes with a commercial license, so you can use it for unlimited projects and clients. This unlocks a ton of potential to really grow your business without any restrictions. And unlike some other platforms, there are no monthly fees, just a one-time payment for unlimited access. As demand for AI-generated visuals grows, this could be a massive opportunity for you to get in early and capitalize on this trend. So, if you've been looking for an easy, powerful tool to enhance your content creation, whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or just someone who loves playing with new tech, Talking Visuals is definitely worth checking out. It's all about making high-quality visuals and videos easy to create, even if you don't have design experience. And the best part is, it's all within your reach, with zero hidden costs. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll catch you in the next one.